I've always been an arts person, I would say, but I've never really like touched on that basis because I went to school for engineering prior to VCAD. And yeah, I just felt like I was cooped up in an office and I felt like I needed to be more creative and get to that niche, right? The program at VCAD actually has prepared me really well, I would say, for the industry. I feel like I'm very confident with my portfolio and showcasing it to other firms out there in Vancouver and maybe outside of the country too. So for my final project, I worked on a milkshake bar that I thought that would be cool and it'd be a niche market for Vancouver. It's something we don't have. We have a lot of ice cream factories and treats and bubble tea and stuff like that, but I felt like a milkshake is the classic diner food, I would say.